Today, we're going to debunk some common myths about solar energy. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Solar panels don't work in cloudy or cold weather. The reality is, solar panels can still generate electricity on cloudy days and in colder temperatures. They rely on light, not heat, to produce electricity. In fact, some solar panel technologies are designed to perform efficiently in low-light conditions. Myth number 2. Solar energy is too expensive. The truth is, the cost of solar panels and installation has decreased significantly in recent years, making solar energy more affordable and accessible. There are various financing options, tax incentives, and rebates available to help offset the initial investment. Myth number 3. Solar panels require a lot of maintenance. In reality, solar panels require very little maintenance. They have no moving parts, which means there aren't many things that can wear out or break. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections are usually sufficient. Myth number 4. Solar panels are not efficient enough. While solar panels have an average efficiency rate of 15 to 20%, they can still provide more than enough power to meet a household's needs. The sun produces an enormous amount of energy, much more than the world consumes in an entire year. Myth number 5. Solar energy is not reliable because the sun does not shine all the time. Energy storage systems, such as solar batteries, allow you to store excess energy for use at night or on cloudy days. Most solar installations are also grid-tied, meaning you can use electricity from the grid when your solar panels aren't producing enough power. There you have it. We've debunked some of the most common myths about solar energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.